before and after. So I'll just take it for a quick spin around here. Is it loud? Is it loud, Van? Is it? What is it? Is it loud? You have to order for the wheel arch as well. It's like a sponge. So I think they're getting that during the week. But it doesn't sound too bad so far. Doesn't it not? It's a bit rattly already, isn't it? There's a bit of a fan, look. There's a big fan. I think food and supports are loose after we cutting them out for the windows. Front windows. What is it? A big window. There you go. I'm not throwing the wrong roof fan.
No, it's not.
This is the Fiamma vent. There's no fan around it. The one I wanted to order has a light. Going around there so we can wire up one of these to the light. So when you open the door it comes on. Look well. So I may send this back. There's supposed to be sealant with it, but there's no sealant with it or anything. Or screws. So yeah, I'm going to send that back and get the one with the light. I think if you look well, when you open it up, wire one of them to the fan, then the light comes on. Is that a good idea? Yeah. Is it? Right, do you want to clean the wall for me? Yeah. Right, we'll open these to the mats. Here, look, you clean the walls over here. Clean that. You do that, clean it. Right, so I'm going to put a foot in there now, am I? Put half on. Half on, half on. Alright then. Sorry? No, oh nice. That better. do is there's a bulb. He said there's a bulb going in the back. God, thank God. He's dreading that, to be honest. Because I must show the van just want to help me. Right, I need a bit of work on the van. It's going to cost me hundreds. Get the head down then. Get stuck into it. Happy days. Delighted. I got this stuff off Timo. I don't know if it's any good. It's about 20mm thick, so the idea is to wrap it up on this on both sides. So this is just going to cut it straight down the middle and see.
Like this.
Like this. Is it like this? Like this. No. You stay there, up near me for a second. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Who did that? Who broke it? No, that's sharp. You can't play with that. You hold this. You hold that there. You do this one. Now, you're not meant to put these on it, or well, it's not that you're not meant to. You don't really need it, but I have about 15 of these left over. So we put one there. So half one there, half and half. Same with that side. And then put that stuff over it. She's just going to go to waste. She's sitting there, isn't it, already? Where's that cloth, buddy? Oh, no, no.
So it's dark.
The lights. It's gone dark. What happened? Open the door.
You open the door.
Yeah, you open the door. Go on. Do you want me to do it? Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Get that off. Get this part. Wait. Now, take it off. Two hands. Use two hands. Here. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Pull it off. Use two hands. Pull. Oh. Yes. That's it. Oh no, there's 2 bits left. No, he did it. High five. Yes. Nice worker, aren't you? You hit that. Do that. Yeah. Oh, hit it. Do this. Listen. Who did that? Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut it up. Now stand over there now, because it's a sharp knife, man. Who's the best? Daddy is the best. Daddy is the best. Daddy is the best. pull that off here. Yeah, pull it hard. Pull it hard. Yes! Put it over there in the rubbish. Alright. You're making a mess. You making a mess? 1 second now, buddy. Yeah, 1 second now. Alright, that's that one done. Doesn't look too bad. There's a bit of a gap there with the floor insulation, but it's going to come up here anyway. But well, that's that. Doesn't look too bad. Listen to this one. Here you go. Yes, I'm going to put same again. 1, 2, 3, and a big one in the middle. Maybe it doesn't need it, but like a box full of them still. Well, about 10 left. And all I have to do with this is the doors and the sliding door, and that should be it. Yeah, hopefully that stuff is actually good now. I might order a couple of rolls for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Order 6 rolls even. Alright, that's it. All the sound deadening's done. The wheel arches are done. So I have to go up to the shop here now to get some timber for the floor. I'm going to get plywood for the framing of it as well. And Kingspan. I'm going to put 25mm Kingspan on the floor. Getting there slowly but surely. It's just hard because you're working Monday to Friday, and then herself is working the weekend. So this little lad hanging out here. Is that right, buddy? Isn't that right? So I was messing around with software, Advanced Space 3D, and you can have an idea. So here, that's going to be, obviously the kitchen's going to be here, coming back down this way. Over here then I'm going to have a little bench, like a little chair, a fixed bed with cabinets. I was going to do the cabinets from here all the way across. But I'm just going to do cabinets from here and stop in here. And then on this side here then, I'm going to have cabinets then for clothing and all. So the head of the bed will be here. Here's going to be another little chair with a pull-out toilet. The frame of the bed here then, so here you'll have your table that pulls out and pushes away. This bench here, I'm going to try to get it that I can fold over and turn it into like a little couch. Lovely to have the door open looking out. Took the bulkhead off of this, but I'm going to have a little overhead cabinet in here with no doors on it, just for towels, blankets, stuff like that, raincoats or whatever. You know, so it'll be nice. The idea is to put the sink here. The sink here. Under here then, it's a bit messy now, but under here I can have my water tank, my fresh water tank. And then when I'm going to fill it up, I can literally just open the passenger door, fold over the seat, fill it up. I might put the grey water tank under the van to save space. And the electrics will be around here. So what I'm going to do is when I'm doing the flooring, I'm going to put a bit of conduit up here to the battery so I can feed it back here. I might put 2 bits of conduit in it so I can feed it up here then and have on my electricals. Like my electricals will be here, but the cables will be going up to here to feed lights, water pump. Still a bit noisy. It's the road noise. We're driving a tin can. It should be better when we get the insulation on the walls now.
What is that?
Yeah, don't press that button. Yeah, I have to get timber there now for the floors and 5 sheets of plywood, 12mm plywood for the cabinets. And we're going to get 18mm plywood for just for framing the walls. Insulation roll as well. So yeah, it is. The van is still a bit noisy, but hopefully all the insulation will sort that out. Look, you tomato. Hey. Yeah, that's it for this one. Catch you in the next one. Ow.